Tatavarthi. You watching Srikanth Ideal Chemistry. In this video, we are discussing about basic strength of amines. So the basic strength of amines is directly proportional to plus M effect or directly proportional to plus I effect, and it is inversely proportional to minus I effect and minus M effect, and it is inversely proportional to extent of resonance. So basic strength is directly proportional to plus M effect or plus I effect, and inversely proportional to minus M effect and minus I effect. At the same time, the basic strength is inversely proportional to extent of resonance. Okay, so for the explanation of basic strength, here I just take some examples. So this is example 1. So in the example 1, this is diphenyl aniline, and this is a triphenyl aniline, and this is a aniline. Okay, sorry, this is diphenylamine and this is triphenylamine, and this is a aniline. So when you observe that here the nitrogen can be connected to the 2 phenyl rings, so totally it can shows the 7 resonating structures. Here the nitrogen connected to the 3 phenyl groups, 3 phenyl rings, and it shows the 10 resonating structures. If you see structure here, nitrogen connected to 1 phenyl ring, it shows the 4 resonating structures. So the basic strength is inversely proportional to extent of resonance. So then order of their basic strength is equal to, so which structure having less number of resonating structures, that is more basic. So third structure is more basic than first and 2, and first structure is more basic than a second one. So this is the order of given structures, basic strength of given structures. And this is the next example. So in this example we have 5 structures. So in each structure we have one lone pair electron at nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen. So here the lone pair at nitrogen can be involved in the resonance. And here also here the lone pair is involved in the conjugation with the 2 pi bonds. Here there is no resonance, and here the lone pair can be show the conjugation with 1 pi bond. Here the lone pairs present on nitrogen cannot participate in the resonance or conjugation. So based on this, if you see this, if you take the order of their stability, so which is in which structure the lone pair on nitrogen cannot participate in the resonance, we call as a stable more basic compound. So third one and fifth one are more basic than first, second and third one, due to absence of conjugation in a conjugation of lone pair present on nitrogen. So when you compare third and fourth structure, fifth structure is more basic than third structure. So due to stability, so fifth structure is more basic than a third one. After when you compare the 1, 2, 4, in the fourth structure the lone pair conjugate with one lone pair, so that is next highest basic compound. After comparison 1 and 2 in second structure, the lone pair conjugate with 2 pi bonds. In the first structure the lone pair conjugate 3 pi bonds. So next highest basic compound second one, and first is least basic in nature. So this is the order of the decreasing order of basicity of given compounds. Okay, this is next example. Here we have 4 compounds. So in the all these 4 compounds are nitro substituted anilines. So in the first structure, NO2 group present at ortho position. Here we have minus I effect. NO2 shows the minus I effect and minus M effect, and here ortho effect also present due to presence of bulky group at ortho position. Here at meta position, NO2 shows the minus I effect. At para position, minus I and minus M will be present, and it is reference structure. So if you take their order of their basic strength, here due to presence of ortho effect it is least stable. Why? Because minus I effect and minus M effect is decrease the basic nature. So for reference structure is more basic in nature. After reference structure, second structure will be more basic. Why? Because the second structure having only minus I effect, but first and third structure have both minus I and minus M effect. After the second structure, third structure will be more basic, and first structure is at last. So this is the order of basic nature of given 4 structures. And next example, so in this example again we have the 4 structures, but The only difference between previous example and for this NO2 group is replaced by the methyl group. So here methyl group shows the plus I effect. Here also plus I effect, here plus I effect and plus M effect, here also plus M effect will be present, and it is reference structure. So the plus I groups, the plus I effect or minus I effect increase the basic nature of amines. So in that so in first and third structure is more basic than second one, and second one is more basic than third one. When compared to one and third, para position is more will be more effective. So third structure is more basic than first one. First one more basic than second one, and fourth one is at last. So this is the order of basic of a given example, and this is the last example. So in this example, we are discussing about nearly 8 examples. So in the first structure, if you see this, all are the para substituted elements. Here OH shows the plus M effect, methyl group plus I effect, NO2 minus M, CHO minus M, CN minus M, chloro plus M, bromo plus M, and it is a reference structure. So based on the order of their, if you take the order of their basic strength, plus M groups shows the more basic than plus I groups. After reference structure, at last minus I groups. So here plus I groups is OH, plus M groups are OH, chlorine and bromine. In this OH having more plus M power. So first structure is more basic. First structure is more basic in nature. After OH, chlorine having more basic nature. I mean more plus in that more plus M power. Chlorine having more plus M power. So next position is sixth one. After that seventh one. Okay, with this plus M groups are completed. Next plus I group. Second structure is more basic in nature. After now all plus M and plus I groups are over. Next stable next basic next is reference structure. After you need to compare the minus M groups, NO2, CHO, CN, more minus M power, less basic. So third structure is less basic than cyana, and cyana is less basic than aldehyde group. So next basic structure is the fourth one. After fifth one, and third one is at last. So this is the order of basic nature of given compounds based on their based on plus M and plus M, plus I, and minus M effects. Okay students, if you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thank you.